I got $15 into this project. Ship horn, let's go. Gonna need a 3/4 by 3/4 coupling. 1 3/4 by 1.5" reducer with a large opening on the bottom. It may have threads on the 3/4 side, and that's alright. Your second 3/4 by 1.5" reducer has to be smooth on the 3/4 side, so your horn tube can slide in. The other one's gonna be a drum. Here's both of them. You're gonna need 1.5" by 3/4 T. Three-quarter-inch PVC pipe. And an eternal water jug. Any kind of hammer will work. Some glue, sandpaper or sanding block, and a synthetic vinyl glove. There's other water jugs that'll work. Take your 3/4-inch coupling with you to the store, and you can judge it by holding it up to the top. You want to cut the jug right here. But before you cut it, pound the coupling into the jug with a hammer. I use a plastic hammer. You'll see that it fits like it was made for it. Now you can cut the jug. Now the horn cone is complete. You'll find when you stick the horn tube into the reducer that it stops because there's a lip inside the reducer. You got to get rid of that lip. There's many ways to achieve this. The method I used was I inserted my chainsaw file into my drill and grinded it out. If you only have sandpaper, wrap it around a pencil and grind it out manually. Or if you're a big shot, then use your Dremel. Check it periodically because you don't want to overgrind it. We got a little bit more to go. Now it fits snug. Cut 6 inches off your 2-foot 3/4 pipe for your blow tube. Then sand your cut ends. Here comes Mr. Nosy, looking for shit to knock over. At this point, you can hammer in the reducer with the 3/4-inch smooth end. That's the one for the horn pipe. Insert the horn pipe by the factory edge first, so it looks like this. Now insert the 6-inch blow tube. It should look like this. Pull the horn tube out and glue it into the coupling on the water jug. Insert the end that you cut. I like to glue this in. And also seal the outside, the bottle too. You'll see how loud this bastard gets. Blow tube is dry. Now wrap the glove around the other reducer, creating a small drum. Then insert into T. Make sure you stretch all the wrinkles out of the glove. Don't cut the glove, leave it double layered. Very important. When you insert it, it'll tighten it up even more. Now we tune it. Insert the horn tube into the T to where it just barely touches the glove. Insert your finger into the back of the drum so you can feel when the horn tube is touching. Now blow into it. That sound means it's pressed too hard against the glove. Back it out just a fraction. Little bit more. Almost. There we go, now it's tuned. With a sharp knife, trim off the excess glove. Making your ship horn this way works well and produces a very loud sound, which is tunable. I live in an apartment with neighbors all around me, so we're going to test this bad boy out. It should look like this now. I'm going to catch this on the front door camera as well. I should probably shut the lights off too, while we pressure test the neighbors. We're in Point Loma, so they should be used to this. We'll see. Holy shit, that was loud, and I barely blew into it. Woke the dogs up. Alright, time to put it away.